Invasive species like rats and weeds pose a serious threat to Pacific ecosystems and communities, increasing vulnerabilities to climate change. Invasives are found on land, in rivers, and oceans, threatening ecosystems by outcompeting native species or altering habitats, thereby reducing biodiversity, which is crucial for ecosystem resilience. This loss of biodiversity can lead to a decline in ecosystem services, such as food security, ecotourism, and the ability to adapt to climate change. For example, invasive trees like Albizia falcataria, known as tamalingi in Samoan and salawaku in Maluku, can pose significant dangers during cyclones, causing floods and blocking roads. Controlling these invasive species is a vital nature-based solution for restoring the resilience of island ecosystems and communities, especially with climate change increasing their negative impacts. Restoring landscapes by removing invasive plants and reintroducing native species can regenerate native vegetation, enhancing ecosystem health and its contributions to community well-being, such as livelihoods, culture, clean water, and food security. Similarly, eradicating predators like rats can help the recovery of key ecosystems. Rats prey on bats and seabirds, disrupting nutrient cycles that are vital for island ecosystems' health. Removing predators can restore seabird populations, protect many other fragile lives, and replenish nutrients that nourish plants and reefs, ultimately benefiting fish populations and local communities. Community involvement in invasive species management is crucial for ensuring fair and sustainable nature-based solutions. Supporting local removal efforts and adhering to biosecurity rules are tangible ways we can all contribute to safeguard Pacific ecosystems and communities. Together, we can battle invasive species and harness the potential of nature-based solutions for Pacific Island communities' resilience. Let's champion nature for our well-being and resilience to climate change.